Hey everyone, how's it going? Do you have a garbage disposal from Moan and it doesn't turn on or it makes a humming noise? So this one, it first made a humming noise when we turn it on and it wasn't rotating and it wasn't putting the garbage to any spin within the actual garbage disposal. So we only heard a humming sound. So right now I have it unplugged. I'm gonna plug it in. And then just to let you hear the humming sounds that we heard, and then it completely shut off. So that's the sound of the motor trying to spin the actual garbage disposal. For the Moan, there's no reset switch outside that you can see here. It's actually located right beneath in this hole. It looks like a screwdriver hole. So if you have a tool, like a screwdriver or even a small pin, you can just use a Phillips or a flathead screwdriver and then just stick it in there to reset it. So there's a switch in there. Once you reset it, it should try to turn on again. But before you reset it, make sure you unplug it. So right now we know that is something stuck in there, and typically a garbage disposal has a center for where you insert a Allen wrench, and that's where you can torque it. You can turn it clockwise. But for Moan garbage disposal, you actually have to do it from the top. So you have to buy a tool like this, stick it in there. So I'm gonna remove this, and because it's not rotating, make sure you unplug it before you do this. So have it face down, so you have this facing down like this. All right. So you want to go in at an angle. And once you have it down there, you want to set it flush. All right, so it's down there flat. You want to get line up with the actual wing itself and crank it. And once you crank it, it rotates a little bit. Take this out and it should turn back on. Okay, so whatever's stuck, I got it unstuck and now it's ready to go. And take this out, plug it back in, and turn it on and see if it works. So plug it back in. I'm gonna try to turn it back on. Make sure this is on the side. Put this back on so nothing splashes. So an $8 tool, and I'll post a link where you can get this in the description of this video. Fix the garbage disposal. Save you hundreds of dollars. Thank me later. Try to fix yours now. Order this tool right below.